Back to Queen Jasmine's kitchen, where we make cooking fun, easy, and absolutely delicious. Today we are diving into some onion slicing magic. So grab your knives and let's get started. Step 1. Start by peeling the onion. Place it on a stable surface and carefully remove the dry outer skin and any flaky layers. This will give you a clean base to work with for the slicing. So let's get down to step 2. Step 2, start by removing the inner onion head. As you can see in the video, I'm using the tip of my knife. Gently crave it out for a smoother surface to work with. Some people do leave that surface, but I don't like leaving that inner onion head. I take it off so that my slicing will be easier for me. So now let's slice the onion into 2 different sizes. I'm slicing in 2 different sizes in our video for today. Let's start with the ring slices. This ring slice is perfect for your jollof rice, for your barbecue, your chicken sauce, your chicken grill. This ring slices is perfect for those dishes. So place the onion on your cutting board, or you can hold it the way I am holding it in the video, and cut it into ring sizes. Cut it in a circular motion, as you can see in the video. This circle slices, it makes your dish looks beautiful. It has that onion present in your food. Next, I'm cutting the half ring slices. This slices is ideal for your stews or your stir fry. Slice the onions in half, then place the flat side down. You see the way I slice it into 2. Put your knife at the middle and slice and cut down. Then you start cutting in the circular motion, the way you slice your ring, same way you slice your half ring slice, just that you put a knife at the center of it before cutting in circular motion. So if you would like me to drop a tutorial or a video on how to cut onion or any other ingredient specific sizes, try this slicing technique and send me your recreations with hashtag Queen's Challenge. I can't wait to see your amazing skills. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Queen Jasmine's Kitchen for more fun and easy cooking tips. And remember, if you recreate any of these skills, share your results with the hashtag Queen's Challenge. I would love to see them. Until next time, happy cooking.